Hello and welcome to VLearn Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 20 of Hindi 2. Topics to be covered in this session are etiquette, that means sabhyata shishtachar. Signals, that means चेतावनी, संकेत. Etiquette, we all know, basic code of conduct. That means what all we have learned from our parents, from our teachers, the way to behave. They are all called code of conduct. It is not that if we don't follow, we'll not be able to survive, but there is a way to everything. So we must follow the etiquette to do all the things in a better manner. That means sabhyata shishtachar. In English we call it etiquette. Chetavni, sanket. Chetavni and sanket are called as signals. That means sometimes there are signals on the road also. Drive slow or walk slow, any kind of signals. They are called chetavni or sanket. So let us start with etiquette first. Itna kafi hai. That means that will do, or it is enough. That means we say when somebody offers us something, we say no, that will do, it's enough. I have already got it. I don't need more, it is enough now. That is our basic etiquette. We don't say no, we want more, I want more things. So it's a basic etiquette code of conduct. We say it's enough. That means itna kafi hai. Kafi is enough. That will do. That means itna kafi hai, or it is enough. Please don't bother. That means आप क्यों तकलीफ करते हैं, आप इस बारे में तकलीफ ना कीजिए. दैट मीन्स प्लीज डोंट बॉदर अबाउट दिस प्रॉब्लम. वाई डू यू वरी, वाई डू यू बॉदर, प्लीज डोंट बॉदर. आप क्यों तकलीफ करते हैं. इसमें कोई तकलीफ की बात नहीं. तकलीफ इज ट्रबल. इसमें कोई तकलीफ की बात नहीं. दैट मीन्स नो ट्रबल एट ऑल. बात नहीं, दैट मीन्स नो तकलीफ, दैट मीन्स ट्रबल एट ऑल. इसमें कोई तकलीफ की बात नहीं है. आपकी बड़ी कृपा होगी. इट वुड बी वेरी काइंड ऑफ यू. Kripa, that means kind. That means it would be so kind of you. आपकी बड़ी कृपा होगी. It would be very kind of you. इसमें कोई तकलीफ की बात नहीं. No trouble at all. It would be very kind of you. That means आपकी बड़ी कृपा होगी. कृपा is kindness. Very kind, badi kripa. So if you do me a favor, it would be very kind of you. That means आपकी बड़ी कृपा होगी. मैं आपकी क्या सेवा करूं. I am at your service or I am at your disposal. मैं आपकी क्या सेवा करूं. सेवा इज सर्विस और डिस्पोजल. सो यू आर जस्ट आस्किंग मी आउट ऑफ एटिकेट दैट हाउ कैन आई हेल्प यू, हाउ कैन आई सर्व यू. सो आई एम एट योर सर्विस. मैं आपकी क्या सेवा करूं. वाई डिड यू ट्रबल योर सेल्फ. Trouble is कष्ट. That means you have come here, maybe an old person have come to meet you. You often say, why did you trouble yourself? That means आपने कैसे कष्ट किया. You can call me, you would have called me, I can come. So why did you trouble yourself? Maybe out of code of conduct, out of respect, care, you say, why did you trouble yourself? That means आपने कैसे कष्ट किया. कष्ट is troubling. So why did you trouble yourself? That means आपने कैसे कष्ट किया. मैं कुछ अर्ज करूं. Maybe somebody is talking, the people are having a conversation among themselves. So maybe you want to say in between, so you want to interrupt. So you can ask, may I say something? That may I give my viewpoint? That means मैं कुछ अर्ज करूं. Viewpoint is अर्ज. Say, that means when you want to say something, that means अर्ज करूं. That means may I say something. Something is कुछ. Say something, that means मैं कुछ अर्ज करूं. May I say something? We couldn't entertain you properly. That means हम आपकी अच्छी खातिर ना कर सके. We couldn't entertain you properly. Entertaining is what? Properly entertaining is अच्छी खातिर. Somebody has come to your house, so you are feeling bad that because you were ill or you have to go somewhere, you couldn't treat that person well, you couldn't entertain that person well, you couldn't serve him well because maybe out of some problem you are not well or you have to go somewhere, so you couldn't entertain him well. So you could say we couldn't entertain you properly. That means हम आपकी अच्छी खातिर ना कर सके. अच्छी खातिर, that means properly entertain. Couldn't, that means ना कर सके. हम, that means we. आपकी, that means your. So we couldn't entertain you properly. हम आपकी अच्छी खातिर ना कर सके. We are grateful to you. That means हम पर आपका एहसान है. That means somebody has given you a favor or helped you out. So you say to that person that we are grateful to you. Grateful is what? एहसान. हम पर आपका एहसान है. We are grateful to you. हम पर आपका एहसान है. We are grateful to you. No question of kindness, it would rather please me. इसमें कृपा की कोई बात नहीं, बल्कि इससे मुझे खुशी होगी. कृपा की, that means kindness. कि कोई बात नहीं, that means no question of kindness, बल्कि इससे मुझे खुशी होगी. That means it would rather please me. If somebody tells you no, you just don't come, you just don't do trouble yourself, don't come. So at that time you can say no question of kindness. It's not the matter of kindness. I'm not coming out of kindness. In fact, I would feel good. It would rather please me if I come. So इसमें कृपा की कोई बात नहीं, बल्कि इससे मुझे खुशी होगी. खुशी इज प्लीज. इट वुड रादर प्लीज मी. नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ काइंडनेस, दैट मीन्स इसमें कृपा की कोई बात नहीं. इसमें कृपा की कोई बात नहीं, बल्कि इससे मुझे खुशी होगी. Out of code of conduct or a manner or basic etiquette, you say guests come to your house, so you say them, you tell them that please make yourself comfortable. That means sit properly and with comfortable manner. So you can say please make yourself comfortable. That means आराम से बैठिए. Please make yourself comfortable. That means आराम से बैठिए. Please make yourself comfortable. Can you please do me a favor? आप मेरा ये काम करा देते. Can you please do me a favor? So that means you are asking for a favor from somebody, that the person can help you out. You just want his favor. So you'll ask, can you please do me a favor? That means आप मेरा ये काम करा देते. I would be highly grateful if you just please me and do me a favor. So आप मेरा ये काम करा देते. Can you please do me a favor? Now these were the basic sentences that we often use when we go to somebody's house or somebody come to our house. In any manner we use our basic etiquette in our day-to-day life. So these are the basic sentences that we use regularly. Out of code of conduct, out of good manners. So after etiquette we learn about signals. That means चेतावनी. In Hindi we call it as चेतावनी. Signals that we often read on road signboards, giving you warning, giving you signals. You must have seen these kind of signals while going on road. Dangerous turn ahead. आगे खतरनाक मोड़ है. खतरनाक is dangerous. मोड़ that means turn. Ahead मतलब that means आगे. So dangerous turn ahead. That means आगे खतरनाक मोड़ है. खतरनाक is dangerous. मोड़ is turn. Ahead that means आगे. Sometimes the next turn ahead is quite dangerous. So you can find this kind of board giving you warning, giving you signal that you must drive carefully and properly. No entry without permission. बिना आज्ञा अंदर जाना मना है. Maybe higher authorities or principal or any kind of higher authorities put this kind of signal outside their office that you have to take their permission before entering. So no entry without permission. बिना आज्ञा अंदर आना जाना मना है. Mana is no. That means you're not allowed, not permitted. No entry, that means andar ana. Entry is going inside. So ana, andar ana. Bina agya, that means without the entry, without permission. Agya is permission. So bina agya, that means without permission. No entry without permission. बिना आज्ञा अंदर आना मना है. नो एंट्री विदाउट परमिशन. एक पंक्ति में खड़े हों. दैट मीन्स प्लीज स्टैंड इन अ क्यू. पंक्ति इज क्यू. खड़े हों दैट मीन्स प्लीज स्टैंड. एक पंक्ति में खड़े हों दैट मीन्स प्लीज स्टैंड in a queue. Queue is pankti. These kind of signals are there for students in school that they have to stand in a queue before boarding the bus or maybe while going to their classes back. So this is very common signal that is often used in schools, that please stand in a queue. That means एक पंक्ति में खड़े हों. Please stand in a queue. Photography is prohibited. फोटो लेना मना है. फोटो लेना that means photography. Prohibited that means मना है. Sometimes these kind of signals are there on boards when you go for some historical places or some monuments. So you may see these kind of warnings or signals that you can't take the photographs. So photography is prohibited. That means photo लेना मना है. Drive slowly. This is often you read on highways and all. Drive slowly. That means धीरे चलिए. धीरे slowly चलिए. That means drive. So drive slowly. That means धीरे चलिए. गाड़ी पार्क ना करें. That means tow away zone. That means if you park here, crane will going to tow your car. So it's a tow away zone. That means you can't park your car here. It's a tow away zone. Gadi park, gadi is car, park, that means you can't park it here because it's a tow away zone. So your car may be towed by the crane. So don't park here. Don't park your car here. So drive slowly, that means धीरे चलिए. गाड़ी पार्क ना करें, that means tow away zone. So गाड़ी पार्क ना करें, that means tow away zone. So that is all for this session where you have studied about basic code of conduct etiquette when you go to somebody's house, when somebody come back or somebody come to your house, and basic signals that you often see in schools or in historical monuments or in various places or parking areas sometimes, or maybe on roads. Basic signals that you see here and there. We have studied about these signals and etiquette in this session. We are going to study much more things in the next sessions. So that is all for this session by now. That's all for this session. You can learn them again and again and converse in your daily routine. So that is all for this session. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Happy learning. We learning.